Welcome to the Fall 2022 Ugly Duckling Challenge. In this video, we're taking this well-loved dresser and restoring it, redesigning it, and making it into something new. So just keep watching to see if we can actually pull this off.
Hey y'all, I'm Ryan and this is Jess. We are Rust and Dust. Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for watching the flipping video.
This Ugly Duckling Challenge is hosted by Corey with Desert DIY, and we're going to leave a link to her channel in the description so you can check out all the things that she does. And we're also going to leave a link to the playlist so you can check out all the other Ugly Duckling participants and see everybody's furniture flips. Thanks for watching. We started by removing the top from the dresser, which was already coming loose in several places anyway. And then we continued to remove all of the hardware and clean the piece using a degreaser just to get all the grime off, and then taking a vacuum to all the insides to get dust that had collected over time.
After we scuff sanded the entire piece, we made some repairs. We used a combination of Bondo, Quick Wood, and Minwax's wood filler to fill in any of the gaps, gouges, or holes, and the hardware holes that we didn't want to show. We cut these little wooden blocks to fill in these gaps where the old top had an overhang. And then we made a new top out of a slab bar top that we got from Lowe's and cut it down to size.
Ryan used a roundover bit with the router to round all the edges to the new dresser top.
We sanded the piece down with 120 grit. Then we applied Minwax's pre-stain. We used Minwax wood stain in espresso to give the top of this piece a nice dark color.
After we had sanded all the hardware holes that had been filled, we spot primed all the places that we had sanded down quite a bit or had filled using a clear shellac primer by Zinsser. We sanded down all of the drawer sides just to give them a smooth finish and to remove the previous overspray from when the piece had been painted blue. After we wiped everything down so it was nice and clean, we taped off the drawers so that it would be ready to spray paint with our Wagner paint sprayer. We used Annie Sloan chalk paint in the color Country Gray and watered it down to be used in the sprayer.
To seal the top of this piece, we brushed on 2 coats of the fast drying Minwax's polyurethane and then did 2 coats to finish the piece off of the wipe on poly and sanded in between each coat. We then used a scrap piece of wood and measured out our hardware holes to make this little jig to get the holes in the same spot on every drawer.
So we finished this piece, and in true Ryan and Jess fashion, we had a lot of client pieces and other work going on this week, and we were under the crunch to get this finished for the video to be posted with the challenge. So we did not have time to top coat the body of the piece, but we are going to. So we'll be using polyacrylic and applying 2 to 3 coats of that.
3 to 4 coats.
3 to 4 coats. And then it will be totally done. So everything else is ready to go. It looks good. It just needs a top coat. But you guys understand.
Be sure to like, subscribe, give us that thumbs up. You can leave us a comment that you want. Tell us what you like about it. If you don't like it, don't leave a comment. We're fine. Thanks for watching
The flippin' video.
the flippin' video.